YouTube channel, and I will show you how to use the chat GTP through your mobile phone. Here is the chat GTP. I can log in through my Gmail account, same as on the web, and then you will have the chat GTP on your screen. And as you seen that, the notification I got from chat GTP is the chat GTP Plus is also available in United Arab Emirates. I'm living in UAE, so this facility also available in my country. So I will show you guys how to use the chat GTP through mobile as well. You can see that I can put any question and get answer. This is chat GTP, can be used through mobile as well. So don't you worry, no need for the laptop. You can go through your mobile phone in by the chat.openai.com, where you can log in and you can start communication and asking chat GTP the answers. You will get instant answer from chat GTP as well. I asked some question and I got the instant answer from the chat GTP. Chat GTP is thriving technology at the moment and helping all level of the professional to make a fundamental of their needs and build the innovation in the career. I can see that chat GTP will not replace any human work. It will add more value and it will give the innovation to improve the quality and efficiency of the work. There's an option for the chat GTP when you got the answer from chat GTP to give your feedback, thumbs up or thumbs down. Chat GTP is really interested to know about the feedback. Put your remarks on it. This will help chat GTP to improve their quality and services to the audience. If you didn't use the chat GTP through mobile, please make sure you will try it today and immediately right now. If not, you will miss the chance. Let's ask some more questions from chat GTP and you will see it. Enjoy this chat GTP episode. Have you tried it out yet? If not, please let me know in the below comments. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more technology and artificial intelligence content. See you next time.